What's super cool, Wendy and I never planted these tomatoes here. They're growing with this funny U-type plant in this pot. They self-seeded, so I'm guessing it's probably some compost we used from the compost pile that had tomatoes thrown in it. And they're actually starting to turn orange. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4 there, 2 there, and then there's more lower down. So I think there's probably about maybe 9 tomatoes on this. I did see some lower ones. Anyway, the thing is they are turning orange, and those are just seeded tomatoes that we never put in, which is totally awesome. You can eat fried green tomatoes if you want, but we're going to let these turn orange. I don't know what type of tomatoes they are. I will let you know how they taste after we harvest them, but it's going to be another probably maybe week or so, and we'll put them to the taste test. All right? Thanks for watching, guys. Check out more videos here on Banana J SSI.